Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know everything we know so far about Red Dead Redemption 3. Firstly, let's be clear, Rockstar hasn't actually confirmed there will be a third version. There's been no logo, no teaser, not even a cryptic tweet. But Take-Two's Rockstar parent company has confirmed that GTA and Red Dead are permanent franchises. And since Red Dead Redemption 2 has sold over 74 million copies and continues to pull in new players, games with fanbases like these don't just vanish quietly. This is why we believe they might already have Red Dead Redemption 3 quietly in development. In regards to actual leaks or rumours, one of the few leaks came from a former Rockstar employee's resume listing work on Red Dead Redemption 3, but it was later removed when people started noticing it. It could have simply been an internal placeholder referencing Red Dead Redemption 2, but it seems like it would make more sense that the third version is in production. Based off of that, there's potential main characters and theories that fans are having. There's a lot of speculation on different characters, whether they're likely to be added or not. Arthur Morgan is unlikely, as the story is already concluded. Dutch van der Linde might be a possibility. They might make the third game a possible prequel exploring his early gang days. Jack Marston is a highly likely character to be the potential main character. It's a natural continuation of the saga, and it would complete the Marston family story. Some people think that the female lead could be Sadie Adler, exploring South America as a bounty hunter. It would be bold, but her story may feel less epic than Arthur or John's. Also, we never know, Rockstar could also just introduce completely new characters. Other speculations exist that Rockstar could also push technology forward too, and add radio communication, mass media, automobiles, and even early aviation. But some fans may prefer a raw, untamed Wild West experience. Some analysts and fans predict 2028 as the release date for Red Dead Redemption 3. Red Dead Redemption 3 is expected to surpass Red Dead Redemption 2 in realism, immersion, and world detail. It may be added in next-gen consoles post-2027, which would give Rockstar the freedom to push the boundaries further than ever before. So, what do we know for sure? Red Dead Redemption 3 is unannounced, but Rockstar has the resources to develop it, and leaks hint that it's possibly in development as we speak. Until Rockstar speaks or announces, all we can do is speculate and imagine, but one thing feels certain: Red Dead Redemption 3 will be immersive, ambitious, and unforgettable. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!